Here we got a 1965 Shelby Colbra. I don't know if this is a repo or a real one, but
honey, come look at this.
I'm not sure if it's a real one or it's well, you know what? If it's a repo, it's a freaking probably is. It probably is. I mean, I don't think any. Yeah, it has to be because I don't think anybody would bring an original here.
That better? Yeah.
I don't know if that's a 427 aluminum block or something. I don't remember who's in these things. No headrests back then. You got your roll bar over the one driver. Transmission's 4-speed. Oh.
That's 1965.
Oh, that's not those. You got your filler up style cap. You know, that's where for racing. I mean, this car was way the hell ahead of its time. You know?
Mustang coming through right now.
And you got to do your knockoff wheels wired there. Got a Mustang coming in here. What's going on? See? One Mustang. And you got your full gauge package.
Is it on the kit?
It's a produced car. It's not the factory.
This is a factory car or reproduction or?
Produced by factory down in South Africa.
Produced by who?
Factory.
Okay.
Company in South Africa. They have a factory in Africa.
Oh, cool. Did a damn nice job on this thing.
What's that?
Did a damn nice job on that.
They really do a nice job.
Yeah.
Is this yours? Wow.
Push button starter, huh? Push button starter. Guess you got a lot of tension when you drove it in here.
A little bit.
A little bit, huh? You be modest.
That's a beautiful car.